Hello everybody, it's me, your boy, back at it again, unfortunately. So if you've watched a couple of my drawing videos, you probably know that I'm not the greatest at drawing. I mean, I've gotten a little bit better, but... Anyways, so instead of drawing today, I just thought I'd try painting. It's different, right? But not just any painting, good old Bob Ross painting.
She's that live down here, right down in his little foots. Something about like that.
To be honest, I never actually had the pleasure of watching Bob Ross tutorials when I was a kid. I only started watching him when I saw every single YouTuber and their dog doing it for views, and it's trendy, cause yes.
Yes!
Yeah, I'll try my best at following a tutorial on my phone. I have my little canvas here with my easel that I bought from Dollarama. It's held up by a shoebox, a box full of random shit, and a university textbook, which could have bought me like 10 meals. So, yeah, look what it's doing now. At least I'm getting my money's worth. Don't go to college, kids. It's a trap. Just kidding. Please don't listen to me, because look at me. Okay, anyways, oh my god. Okay, I'm actually kind of scared, because if this painting falls on my floor while wet, my parents are gonna beat my ass. Okay, well, here we go, boys. You know what? I might also put my own twist on this painting as well, because y'all know how unique my drawing style is, so... So yeah, let's get this art bread.
The liquid white is designed just to make the canvas wet and to make it slick. It allows us to actually blend color right here on the canvas.
What's liquid white? Is that just acrylic white? Because that's all I have. I'm just gonna Google that quickly. I'm scared. What's liquid white? What is Bob Ross liquid white? Oh, I'm glad it's not just me that asked this question. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Okay, so I figured out that I am missing a bit of oil to create the liquid white. So I just put some vegetable oil in my little palette here.
Hi, sisters!
People were saying that you shouldn't use vegetable oil because it'll make the paint take forever to dry, but I don't have any other choice, man. So anyways, we're just gonna keep going and see what happens. Do you remember how I said I'm bad at painting and art and drawing and all that stuff? I don't think that's it. I think I'm just bad at following directions. Okay, so this is some nice white acrylic paint. Look,
it's new.
We love that new. Oh my god, it's not even... I'm scared. Oh god, I'm nervous. I should have worn clothes that I don't mind getting dirty because I'm nervous. Also, when I went to the kitchen, my parents were like, what the hell are you doing? If you get the carpet dirty, we're gonna throw you out. Just kidding. But am I though? Why won't this stay up? Like, this is so terrible. Oh my god, this is really close to my bed. The easel that I bought is the worst easel I've ever used. It's literally not even holding it up properly. Okay, so first...
Painting life a lot easier. And we just load a little bit right into the bristles. And we'll take this old brush and just making little X's, little crisscross strokes. We'll just very quickly drop in just a little warm part in the sky.
Okay, simple enough. Red, eh? Hello? Is vermilion red? It looks like vermilion is the closest red, but it looks orange on here. What's the truth? Okay, so first you, why did I buy such a goddamn big ass brush? Okay. I feel like when I first press this on, it's gonna be too pigmented. Oh. I don't know. My arm's already getting tired. I don't know, man. It's not really blending very well. Have we given up on this easel? Just like my parents have given up on me. They're like, why didn't we have more than one kid? Okay. You know what? Not the worst. Mine's just a little bit more pigmented. That's what the people want, though. What's next, Mr. Bob Ross?
Then take the blue. It's a very warm blue.
Ooh, a
nice.
blue. That's pretty.
Again, and still using our little crisscross strokes, X's.
Seems simple enough. So we're gonna go with a blue. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use my artist intuition and mix a little bit of white with this blue, just so it's not as pigmented.
Oh my god.
He said I didn't have to rinse off the brush, but I don't know about that. Well, I mean, it's not like I'm gonna do it anyways. All the pigment's on the top of the brush. Okay. This is so much work. Is this what it's like blending eyeshadow in the morning? I can't even imagine. People that go to work with a full face of makeup. Y'all are braver than the troops. Just kidding. I'm Canadian, so I don't know if that's offensive. If it is, I'm sorry. There we go. A nice blue sky. Oh, okay. So it looks like you're supposed to bring it down and kind of blend it together. It's not blending very well. I think I needed more oil or something. Okay, so it's not blending very well. Anyways. Okay, so the next step is just tracing out a quick little figure at the very bottom. Let me just use my reference photo here.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
Looks a little bloated, but that's okay. You know what? It'll just be a little surprise for you guys. You'll just see what happens as it happens. So I'm just gonna take this dark color, this melanin, just kidding. Do you guys remember that girl who was like, I don't take melatonin? And we're just gonna use this little detail brush and just trace out the lines. Wow, this black is so pigmented. Ooh, come through, black. Work. So I'm a little bit on a time crunch at this moment. I'm supposed to go to a holiday party in like 30 minutes. So if we could finish this in that amount of time, that'd be great. Okay, so the eye's starting to become slightly demonic, which isn't a surprise. That tends to happen every time I draw. Can you tell what it is? If you guys know what it is, leave it in the comments and be like, only real fans know. I'm a true stan. Yeah, Sister Pikachu. Uh-oh, I don't know about the nose. It's kind of big and unproportioned. Actually, maybe it's too small. Oh god. It's okay, sweetie. You don't need a nose job. You're perfect. Okay, so here's the line work for one of my favorite memes of 2018. I don't know if this will be done by 2018 or if I'll be posting it in 2019. Anyways, it will be posted at some point. Alright, alright, alright. What's... Oh, that is... my carpet! So don't tell my parents. I trust all of y'all aren't snitches. You know what happens to snitches. Okay, so Pikachu is obviously a yellow color, so we're just gonna fill her in. It looks like it's a bit of like a darker yellow, so how can I make this darker? Okay, well I guess we'll just see what the yellow is like at first, and if it's too dark, we'll go from there. I feel like that's good enough. Mixed it with a bit of the black. That's okay. Ooh, Pikachu. Okay, there's a little bit of black that's just mixing in with the yellow, but that's okay. That's how we get darker colors. Science, everyone. How does the Pokemon theme song go again? I wanna be the very best. Cute. She's all yellow. Looks like me.
Jaundice, oh my god.
So have you guys ever wondered what they eat in the Pokemon universe? Like, when they're eating fish, is that like a Goldeen? Or like a Magikarp? How does that work? We're wondering. Oh my god, how to ruin someone's childhood 101. Okay, so we're just gonna blend her foundation in. Ooh, girl, it matches your shade. Amazing, look. This is a really nice shade of yellow. It matches you perfectly. Okay, so after that, we're gonna give her a little bit of blush with some red. Is this the proper way to apply blush?
Ow!
Oh, you're my best friend. In a world we must defend. Okay, blush done. What comes after? That mouth. It's like a pinkish color. What makes pink? Red and white. Wow. Chemistry. Looks a little bit red. Looks like Pikachu might have been eating something human. Okay, so that's Pikachu. Hello. So I'm in my room, which is a very enclosed space. All these fumes are kind of hurting my head a little bit. The directions are probably like, don't use it in a closed space. Me, I'll be fine. An hour later, starts to get a headache. Okay, next up, what are we gonna draw next? Oh, I know, okay. So the next part of the tutorial is to, what happened to my pencil? Hello, Miss Pencil? Oh, here. Okay, so we're just gonna do portrait mode quickly, and I'm just gonna do the same thing I did with the Pikachu and trace these goddamn lines. Ooh, ooh, that is crisp. So how was your guys' Christmas? Mine was pretty good. Actually, I didn't do anything, so that's pretty good. Okay, so a color that I need is gray, or some sort of silver color. How do I get that color by mixing? Gray, white, and black. I'm a genius! Wow, this is what happens when you haven't been to school in a really long time. Wow, this is what... Oh my god, that was so scary! There we go. Can you guys kind of tell what it is now? I don't know if this one's really a meme, but no, it was a meme. I feel like it was more of a Facebook meme though. Where all those wine moms would be like, doctor said I should only have one glass of wine. Too bad my wine glass is the size of a bucket. So this is Kevin, or is it? I know one of them is called Kevin. I'm just gonna call him Kevin. Okay, so we're just gonna go in with some yellow foundation again. So this is the Morphe 3Y06 brush. I love it because it blends very easily. Use my code BANANA for 10% off. I've actually never had a sponsor before. I don't know anyone that want to sponsor this content. Makes weird ass content. My face when I don't get any sponsors. Okay, so I feel like I'm running out of time. I feel like we are going to go soon, so I'm kind of panicking, but only slightly because I've panicked so much that my body's just accepted the fact that I'm just constantly in a state of panic. Oh my god, no! His hair is spreading to his skin. It's like acne. Why am I using this big ass brush for such a small space? Have you ever just made your life difficult because you were dumb? Do you guys remember how to make brown? Because his eye is brown. Like mine. Oh my god, are minions Asian? We're really wondering, aren't we? Okay, so I'm attempting to make gray. Okay, well, it's still mostly black. I don't think I mixed enough white. But you know what? We'll just say Kevin was playing in the mud, so his glasses are a little dirty. Okay, so I feel like it's not a Bob Ross painting without some trees. Let's add some trees. Do you guys like minions? They kind of scare me, to be honest. So it looks like the way he drew trees is like... Oh my god, you guys. I'm doing it. Ooh, hello tree. Work tree. And it also looked like there were some mountains in the back somehow. He makes it look like so goddamn easy. Ooh, mountains, eh? Ew, I sound so Canadian. I mean, not you. I love being Canadian. Oh god, please don't come for me, Canadians.
Right there.
Okay, so there's some mountains. It looks like there's a little lake. Okay, so I don't have one of those fancy schmancy like knives that he uses, so I'm just gonna use the back of the paintbrush. Ooh, did someone say innovation? Actually, this is terrible. It's not working at all. Okay, so the ocean is supposed to be a darker color than the mountains, but oh boy. Well, I mean, did I set out to make this look realistic? There's like literally a mouse creature on here and whatever this thing is. An Asian person. Just kidding. Okay, so after filling in the small little details, here is my Bob Ross painting. Ooh, Bob Ross. He's probably quaking in his grave right now, and not in a good way. All right, well, there you go. Hopefully this is a little bit of an improvement than when I drew. What the hell? Well, that's it for this video. If you guys like my content and want to support me, give this video a little thumbs up, leave a comment, feed my channel some engagement, because as artists,
We're always hungry.
feel free to subscribe. Have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Art bread.